What is an investment? Imagine you have a banana. You can eat it right now or invest it and get two in a while, or be left with nothing and the feeling that you've been passed around in circles. Investing is when you give away your bananas or money if you don't have fur in the hope that you'll get more bananas later. For example, the gorilla gave one banana to a coconut farm. A month later, he got two bananas, one for the investment, the other as profit. If he'd eaten it right away, he'd have calories and sleep. But this way, he got both food and profit. Investing is a game of delayed gluttony, but it's a risk. Maybe the farm will burn down. Maybe the farmer is a scammer. Maybe you invested in milk and a lactose intolerance epidemic started. Types of investments. Let's figure out where you can invest your bananas. In business. The gorilla gave bananas to another monkey who is building a factory of cool slippers. A month later, the gorilla receives a percentage of the cool slippers sold. Pros. It is clear where the bananas go. Cons. If the factory explodes, there will be no slippers and your bananas. In real estate. The gorilla bought a treehouse with a mortgage. Rents it out to another monkey for monthly bananas. Pros. Everyone needs housing, especially in winter. Cons. If a hurricane blows down a tree, all that remains is the mortgage and memories. In stocks. The gorilla buys a share in the company Banana Boom. If the company grows, the gorilla receives dividends and gets rich. If it falls, the gorilla gets sad and starts eating coconuts. Pros. You can earn a lot. Cons. You can lose a lot in cryptocurrency. A gorilla buys banana coin. The coin grows in price. A week later, its price plummeted, and now you can only wipe your ass with it. Pros. Fast. Cons. Lost everything quickly. Types of investors. There are two types of monkeys. One, an experienced investor thinks how to make bananas work, analyzes, compares, reads documents. Two, a beginner saw an ad and says, "Smells like profit, I'll bring it all," and then sniffs a banana peel because there is nothing else to eat. Real risk. Investments are not magic. If you are promised a lot for a very fast price, know that you are not an investor, you are lunch. The best investments are boring, understandable, and bring profit slowly. To avoid being left without bananas, always understand where you are investing. Don't throw all your bananas in one place. Check those who take your bananas. If you smell a catch, leave. Investing is not just a way to make money. It is the ability not to be hungry in the future. Just remember, an investor is someone who thinks. A victim is someone who believes in free bananas. Choose who you are. Like and subscribe if you consider yourself a real gorilla.